Okay, so if you're eliminated, then you're out of the shell. What does that lead to? And at 200 votes, yellow is Wait, where did yellow go? I heard yellow gasp when he was in dirt. He probably fell down it and probably died. Well, we're gonna check that place out then. Ah! Ow! What even is this place? 2019 The Revenge Attack. Most of us people doesn't know what a revenge attack is. Well, I tell you. First, what the springies? Why is it like that? Oh no. No! So I guess this is the place where Yellow sent us. Wait, this isn't just a piece of dirt. There's also lava and this is an amusement park.